The first part of the process is discovery. What we do is we understand you as a business, what you're trying to achieve, what you're scaling to, and what your ambitions are as a company. Once we've completed the discovery, we then move on to solution design. We take everything from the drawing board in terms of the processes you've understood, your scalability, your technology stack, and look to put together something that actually is going to work for you as a business. The third phase is implementation and configuration. This is when we actually start doing the actual real work inside your system. This is hooking up your different products together, putting the fields in, do the automations, and actually getting a working system that you can start testing. Testing. This is one of the most important parts of the overall project. This is when you get the ability to actually start working with the system with test data, going through processes that we've already kind of defined, and then enabling you to be able to see how the system will work in the future. This is just before we go and deploy. Training. This is when we do the onboarding with the rest of your team that are going to be using the system. It's so important to make sure that you are fully trained and understand the processes that we've put in place so you can get the most value out of your business. Go live, the most exciting bit at the end of the project. This is when your entire system is live, your team are using it, and all your customers are utilizing it throughout your business.